So as a continuous follower or presentation, you may know that we had drawn this two box. These are the zones where you can see the market was consolidating for a long time. So I am moving this from 29th. The price was consolidating here and struggling to find a price direction. So most of the time it was successful coming down. So you can see most of the time it was successful coming down. Just it's taking a resistance around 424, but we had chosen this intermediate zone of 422 and 420 because the price is breaking out or break down. Everything starts from 22 and this zone, so we had picked this zone. So it was a long consolidation, but most of the time we can say the price was successful coming down. Just for a simple reason, we can say the price was always staying below the average. Only few times the price went above this average which we are following. So what we expected yesterday was that, so on the previous day there was some price action which put the price above the average by taking some support around 420 around this bottom zone. And yesterday's price opening, you can see it's a spiked up opening which clears all the zone, and the price was trading above 422, which had given us an indication that the price can clearly move higher. But what happened was that you can see the price went and struggled here for a long time. The price lost its momentum around 423. There was a long consolidation, and after that the price failed to put a breakout and failed to maintain the momentum which it got during the price opening. So the price entered into the consolidation zone again. There was a struggle, but at the end you can see the price clearly. After that the price came down and closed around 419.65. So it is very crucial, the closing near the average, near the bottom support zone is very crucial. And we have drawn few trend lines because whenever the situation looks very sideways and whenever the price was trying to find a direction, trend lines are always very helpful in identifying the trend. So we had connected these two drops so that we want to identify where this trend is going, and we had drawn connecting all the highs that was created yesterday and the low and the bottom which was created on the last week. This is another trend line. If the price opened up higher, just above that, if it is moving up, it will follow this trend line. So we had drawn this trend line also. If there is a failure, if the price fails to move above 420.6, so it is again going to be a failure. So the price will follow this trend line. So in order to identify the downtrend, uptrend, we had drawn a trend line, and also in order to identify quite a long-term trend, we had drawn this trend line. The point we had taken is 423, which was yesterday's high, and the next point from where that we had drawn the trend line is around 444. That was a high that was generated last month. So from 444 we had drawn this trend line, which indicates this long-term trend should go in this way if the trend continues to be down. So these are the various trend lines which will help us. Surely it will help us and guide us in this tough situation. So what we expect for today, opening is going to be the same. Today is going to be a very close day for copper traders, because for a long time the copper is struggling, and we had learned from our experience, whenever the market struggles there for a long time, it is going to provide us a huge potential to make huge profit. So let us stay with this zone and follow the basic technicals. So in order for the price to get something, you need to go above 420.2 to 420.6. We need at least a closing above 420.6 to gain the momentum. But if it is a downcoming market, or if it is a downward market, surely it will follow this trend line and it will continue the trend downwards. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. We have a lot of news also today, so follow the news. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.